Hi, this is Dr. Madhuri Advani here. I'm a global luxury brand consultant and I'm the brand consultant and promoter for Anja Fox art exhibition today here. It's a lovely day and we had amazing turnout of people from the art world who appreciate art and culture, and some collectors and buyers, realtors who are a mix of distinguished personalities from Delhi. The works are amazingly beautiful, as you all can see, and she specializes in outdoor artwork. All the works that you see here have been painted at Buddha Jayanti Park, horse cars, outdoors of varied other countries as well. And it's amazingly done. There are a lot of shows that happen in Delhi, but the unique part about this art show is it's beautifully, very well curated. The whole wall has been done up by them. The artworks have been put up especially on these words to enhance the works to come out, look even more beautiful. And there are some lovely installations which are put up here in the resin artwork, and it's amazing to see how she must have made these beautiful, these installations. And lovely petals are put all over. It's quite unique than the shows that you see in Delhi. I'm very happy to be associated with them as a brand consultant and brand promoter. We've had a lot of our important guests and people from the luxury club as well as the luxury code art-based company. We had chief guest Rajat Gupta ji, owner of Hariram Shriram Jewellers. We had Ramratan Group, Mr. Vijay Chaudhary ji. We had we had Naveen ji, senior lawyer. Then we had Amrendra Khatwa ji, and as our chief guest Radha Reddy and Kaushalya Reddy ji, who also have a Khemka Art Gallery in their premises. So it's been amazing. Besides so many other distinguished guests, the German ambassador has been here, and also so many more other important personalities who are part of the exhibition. And I wish Anna Falk good luck. Already we have got good order on her installations as well as for collaborations for her artworks. People have really appreciated and loved the works, and we are looking forward to a very successful sales of the artworks. Thank you. I would especially like to thank Lambert and Anna Falk for trusting in me and giving me the opportunity to do the curated, the public relationship, branding, visibility, recognition, awareness for the lovely artist and her amazing works, Anja Falk. Thank you.